Number 5 sa babae. Tahimik na sila, inaantok na sila. Oy! Mas sumasagot ka pa dyan, ha? 5 talaga. Okay! Best in Rapewear to be awarded by Judge John Cruz and Kagawad Vicky Ko. Okay, unahin naman natin babae. Our best in Rapewear is no other than, with an average score of 94.5, is no other than candidate number 2, Gladys Jonas.
Nakatanda na siya.
Yun. And our male best in Rapewear with an average score of 90.3 is no other than candidate number 1, John Java.
Kasama tayo.
Next award is best in lingerie outfit. Huh? To be awarded by Judge Hani Dairin and Kagawad Vicky Ko. Yung mga certificate hindi nyo nasama, mga shoot day kasi kayo. Diyos medyo. Okay, i-distribute nyo ngayon kung nakanin yung sash.
May certificate ka pala.
Ganun ang mangyayari, mag-distribute ka doon kung nakanino. May certificate pala yan. Unahin nyo muna to. Best in lingerie.
Nakalimutan eh.
Carry muna. Para hindi na magulo. Pangatlo. Yan. Okay. Our best in lingerie. With an average score number 2. Oh, nakataloka na.
May sakit pa
Okay. Aalis na kasi si ating Judge Hani. So may special awards from Posh and Coco by Hani Choice Award. So worth of 10,000 services. So sa Posh and Coco, gluta, marami kayong pwedeng gawin. Then lahat ng candidate is makaka-receive ng worth 5,000 worth of services. So So yung dalawang mapipili niya, 10,000 worth of services, and then yung dalawa is 5,000 worth of services. Oo nga, yung dalawang... And then the rest, nagpa 5,000. Okay. Kay... Pakiiwan kay Kagawad yung name. Alam niyo na yung... Ano? Posh and Coco na nakalocate sa San Andres. Okay. Ang lalaking napili niyang bigyan ng worth of 10,000 services is no other than candidate number 3, Nomer Alejo. And then sa babae is no other than candidate number 6, Raven Rivera. Okay? So yung bali yung ibang candidate po worth of 5,000.
Ay, bong, kami 5,000 ako.
Yon. Saan na ba tayo? Natataranta tuloy yung tabulator natin. Nag-a-award tayo, wala pa yung mga runner-up. Okay, wala pa yung final score. So, white bikini. Actually, ano to eh. Yung kaninang bikini. To be awarded by Sir June ulit. Sir June. To be awarded by Sir June and Madam Vicky ko. Ito ang panlalaki. Patayo. Certificate. Ito na naman tayo. Ito, white bikini. Nasaan yung certificate? Ito yung sa lalaki. Yan. White bikini male is no other than candidate number 6, Nash Mendoza. And candidate white bikini female is no other than candidate number 2, Gladys Jonas. Hindi na makaya ni Gladys yung sash. Baliktad yung shirt, madam. Yon, Navigator, kumusta ka na dyan? Natataranta ka na ba? Yon, mag-proceed na tayo sa last major special award, ang Best in Own Choice Bikini Award. To be awarded by Sir John Cruz. Napagutusan lang po ako. Okay, and to be awarded by Sir John Cruz and bakit ka tumatalon? John Morris and Kagawad Vicky ko. So unahin natin ang babae naman. Ay sa septic tank. Okay! Our best in own choice bikini female is no other than sino? Candidate number 6, Raven Rivera. Parang baliktad. Parang panlalaki yung sinabit mo sa kanya. And the male best in own choice bikini award is no other than sino? Candidate number 6, Nash Mendoza.
Pero sana dalawa ang kinakakuha.
Ano to ah? Okay na! Tinatawagan po natin ang ating pinakamamahal na barangay chairman, Chairman Jaime Co, for awarding of our major awards. Tsaka yung ibang barangay official po,